Ladies and gentlemen, all of you, to stop what you're doing and listen.
Women and men come in all shapes and sizes, so how do you find clothes that are flattering your specific body type? The key is to know your proportions, and use fashion to accentuate your best features and hide everything else. Let's find out in the video which category you belong and which clothes suits you. Understanding your body type helps with mapping clothes, and tweaking it in a way that matches your style too. The idea is to make sure the dresses we choose to sit beautifully and proportionately. There are 5 body types in women. 1. Hourglass. 2. Inverted triangle. 3. Pear, also called triangle or spoon. 4. Rectangle, also called ruler or banana. 5. Apple, also called cone or downwards triangle. Hourglass. This is the least common with only 8% of women. The hip and bust measurements are usually equal, with a narrow waist. Do's.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Don'ts.
Walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise.
Inverted triangle. Your shoulders are wider than your hips, the widest part of your body. Your bottom is rather flat, whereas your bust is a variable part of the equation. Do's.
Under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Don'ts.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
The pear-shaped body is all in the lower part of your body. Your butt and thighs are visually bigger than your upper body. So, make some space for that base, people. Do's.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Don'ts.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. See you from.
The rectangle-shaped body is usually well balanced from the shoulders to the hips. So, there is not too much of a definition to your silhouette, and it's fairly straightforward. Do's.
I don't know where you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
Don'ts.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
You are apple-shaped figure when you have a heavier upper body in comparison to your lower part of the body. People with this body type usually have broad shoulders, bigger bust line, and that's why it feels like the weight gathers around the midriff. Do's.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the shadows?
Don'ts.
We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her feet.
The key to a suit looking good is fit. Always buy a well-fitted suit to enhance the look. Usually go for dark, 2-button, single-breasted, moderate ones. A watch is like a piece of art. It should feel comfortable and be right in terms of size and depth. Whether it's on casual wear or formal wear, indulge in a bit of color but in a minimum. When you meet someone, usually you tend to observe footwears. If you are wearing a decent one, it makes an impression. Always opt for classic styles such as brogues, loafers, or a plain, dark, 5-eyelet derby on a round toe last. Accessories like ties and pocket squares bring individuality to classic clothing, but be careful how you use them. When it comes to curating shirt and tie combinations, wear your tie or pocket square in a darker shade than your jacket. And don't overdo the accessories either. Than a man dressed as he thinks he should dress rather than in what he genuinely feels suits who he is. Genuine style icons are those who go their own way with a self-confidence that comes from their clothes being a second skin, not a costume. Style is not merely about self-expression, it's also about being dressed appropriately for your environment. Think of clothes as being codes. You need the right combination to work with the setting you're in, and that's whether it's a formal dinner or a lazy Sunday in the pub. Never depend on loose ones. Invest time into finding the right spectacles for you. Poor choice and poor fit are why so many people learn to hate their glasses. Choose them according to your faces. What good is a wardrobe that's oversaturated with items that either don't feel good to wear or are difficult to match with one another? Always choose quality over quantity. In general, being young means you've got less disposable income. Budgeting is a must. But at the same time, there's no excuse for not keeping your clothes in great shape. Always follow wooden hangers for your suits, shoe trees for your shoes, a reliable iron, and detergent, ironing your shirt properly.